we turn it off. And then we push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 seconds after I turn off the shower faucet, then it stops dripping.